Right, we're doing a video today. We are going to install, what do they call it? The Bright Finish trunk step. Get the instructions, read down. What do they call it? Land Rover always come up. But basically, on the back of your Range Rover Sport, so this is the Range Rover Sport L494 with the lights that go like this. On the rear step, the rear trunk boot lid tailgate step, you've got this little plastic bit along here. And it looks like it's missing a stainless insert. On our Evoque, it came from factory with a stainless steel plate in here. But even on our Autobiography Supercharged Range Rover Sport, they haven't given me such luxury. So we managed to find an accessory here that comes with these stainless steel inserts in it. Now, I'm a bit bemused why they don't just sell us the little stainless steel bits here. Why they have to sell us the whole plastic bit, because the plastic bit looks exactly the same. But that's another matter. We may well be able to source some of these, the stainless bits, so you can just stick them in. But if you're doing it and you buy this accessory from Land Rover, this is how you need to fit it. We're going to go through. Basically, you've got to pop the old one out. So we'll go through popping the old one out. You've then got to swap over this little springy little latch catch thing here. So we're going to go through how to swap that over from your old one to your new one. And then we're going to pop the new one in. It's not that tricky. Right, what tools are we going to need? We got a little screwdriver, if I can find where the camera is. There we go. There we go. For a couple of the clips. We got a pair of pliers that we need to remove the pin. You'll see that. And we got one of these trim removal tools as well with the little funny little end on it there. So we're going to have a go at doing that. Right, what else we got down? Is that all? It does come with instructions. There's a bit of a, yeah, you grab that then. Let's have a... Okay, so here's the instructions. I'll hold up here, might be a bit better. So this is what you're getting and where it goes here. You've got to lift your boot floor up. Now there's this sort of plastic bit, it seems to be taken out, which I don't have. So other people may have something slightly different in their boot floor. I guess it might be a stow if you haven't got a spare wheel. I've got a spare wheel. Then we've got to pop the clips out, lift it up, swap the metal clip over, put the old one in the bin. I don't know, or we'll sell it on eBay, I don't know. There you go, and then swap the clip over, put it back, and we're done. Right, so let's have a go. We reckon we got this sorted. You want to do it, Dan, or shall I do it?
You can do it.
I can do it, right. So, now, we can lift that up. Now, you could just hook that up on here, like so, but we're going to get a little bit in the way for the camera, so we're going to just take this out and throw that to the side there. Right, now I don't think you need to take the spare wheel out. Right, let's take some of these clips out. Hopefully we've got enough light in here. So you've got some clips. Now some clips go through the carpet and the plastic fixing. So just watch these, and then when you come to put it back together, and they got these little fir tree fixings there. You got those, Dan? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we got one there. Right, let's do the one opposite as well. How's that light looking on the camera? Right.
All right, yeah.
There we go. There's another one there. Right then. And then there's another couple hid just in here. Now you might struggle to the camera. And they're the same. They're the same sort of fir tree fixings there. Another one in here. Yeah, if you haven't got one of these trim tools, get yourself one of these trim tools. They're really good. Right. Now, so that's that. Now we've got to get the actual clips. We can tuck the carpet out. Notice how it's tucked under here. When you put it back, tuck it under, but you can just pull it out from under there to give you a bit more room. I'm going to be a bit brutal with mine and tuck it out the way. Right, now we've got a clip here, and then we've got two clips. Oh, I don't know, those ones came out with the carpet. So we've got these ones here. Now, these are these funny little two-part fixings where you've got to sort of unscrew the middle. If you get it started a little bit, you can get the trim tool on it. They're supposed to unscrew, but in reality they're not that good. There you go. But it's like a rivet. So I'm not sure these will be on you. I'm not sure with this car whether they're original, but you've got some sort of fixing, and these are these two-part ones where you can the middle bit just pushes back in. Alright, so let's have a look. That's that one out. Swap sides, think that. Alright then. He's a bit funny. You can't quite get the angle on it, can you? How did you do that when you were practicing then?
Just screwed it up.
I'm not making it look more difficult than it is. Again.
I think I used that cut.
Use that cut. Oh, look at that. For those who haven't noticed, Dan's got a northern accent. He's come down south. Oh, I'm going to try and just take the whole cliff out here. God, you can't get to that one for... There you go, I just pulled the whole clip out. He seems to have survived. Right, we've got that clip out. Right. So, now... So you happy we've got all the clips out now?
Yep.
Right, so what we've got to do is just be brutal. There's 4 popper clips holding it down. So you just got to grab it. Pull that rubber trim off, will give me a little. Right, it sounds brutal, and I think we've broken one clip there. So you've got these little yellow clips on here. That one, when it came out first time, it was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But I think the second time he's had enough. But we can get some more of those clips. It's a bit annoying that the new one doesn't come with new clips. You would have thought they could have given you the clips in for the price, couldn't you? And there's that little spring clip. Right. So what you've got to do now is you've got to swap the remaining clips we got left over onto here. Right then, onto those. So careful, because you've got like 2 bits where you can clip it in. It goes in that bigger one there. I don't know why I'm swapping the broken one over. We've got some at the back of the workshop there. We'll have a look in a minute. I'll stop the camera and see if I... Oh, you got one there, ready. Like you knew I was gonna. If anyone needs to know the part number for those, let me know. And I'll get them on the website. Are they the same clips as those B-pillar trims?
Yes.
They look it, don't they? Dan will put the part number for those in. They look the same. Same-ish anyway. There you go, yeah. Right. Okay, so that's that. Right, now I need those needle nose pliers. Right, now if we zoom in and have a look here, you've got this bar running along. Now at one side it's got a little springy little tab there, you might not be able to see it, but at the other side it's got like a proper dead end stop. So the bar needs to come out this, it's not going to get past that dead end stop. If you can get the pliers on it and give it a pull and just lift it up a bit. Now, look which way the spring is. Those little spring coils are facing towards the camera. Right, so I'll pull that out. Right, and then we get the pin. And then we get that, and that's the orientation it goes with the coils up. And then you get this little bit there, pops out there. So we're now done with that. That's now finished with. Right. And then this is our replacement. Have I got that the same way round? Actually I haven't, have I? Let's get it the same way round. Right. Let's drop that little bit back in there. Have I got it the right way? Yeah, there's the hinge. Yeah, so he sort of lies in there and all lines up neatly. Right, I'm going to leave off with the spring for a minute because the spring doesn't go in till we get right in the middle there. Look, so I'm gonna get through these first 2 before I even stress myself about them. There you go. Look. Give them a little wiggle as you go. Oh, that's it. Right. Now that's where the spring wants to be picking up, isn't it? There.
Yep.
Whee. That's it. Right. Give him a wiggle. Right, he's caught that one. He's caught that one. He's caught that one. He's caught that one. That spring clip's gone. Check he does that. Right, we're homing away. We're on the home straight now. Right. Get this in here. Right now. How are we going to know it's lined up then? We're just going to... Right, now, I think if you look under here, Dan, look, you can see that we've got this peg here. So the peg, make sure you get your peg in. Now, that's got a rubber, actually that's got a rubber trim on. You need to remove that. Look, we'd have been pushing all day down. Right, how many of those have we got? We've got another one here. So 2. So when you're lining it up, if you come to the front, make sure those those two line up first, yeah? Right, we all happy with that?
Mm-hmm.
And then we've got to give it a fierce little... There we go. That's that in. And then it's just a question of putting your car... Make sure you've got to put your two clips in. Let's just finish it off and have a look what it looks like. God, those clips are rubbish, Dan. I think you ruined them when you did it first time.
Oh,
You're making me look rubbish, mate. Oh,
I think they probably just push back in.
I think, yeah. Right then. Right, so that goes in there. Where's the hole? I can't see it for toffee. There we go. Yeah, I'm not sure that they do fit right. Right, and there's the other one. Right. It'll feed around a bit to feed out. Come on. There we go. Right, that's those. Then the carpet can go back. Make sure you tuck those little bits in under that. Right. Tuck him in and back in under there. And then we just... There we go. Right. Get those two in. That's it. Pull that up a bit. Right, that's those four done. That's our two little bits done there. Put the shelf back in. And then, obviously they're not blue. Obviously the obviously what you've got on here then is just a protective film. Pull those off, and then I'm going to put my trim on, and then we're done, and then we can get Ben to come down and photograph that. And then we're going to have a word with Ben and get those put on the website. So there you go, bright, what do they call it?
Bright trunk tread step.
They come up with some great terms. Bright trunk tread plate. So there we go, that's how to fit that on the Range Rover Sport. Good luck with that.